How do you use Facebook Live to grow your business? Live video is one of my most lucrative ways of using Facebook. In this video, I'm going to walk you through my exact steps that I use. Live video has become really popular over the last several years. Live video is available on just about every social channel. The barrier to entry is quite low. Everybody's doing live, but that doesn't mean they're doing it well, and it doesn't mean they're monetizing it. Once you go live, what do you say, what do you do once you're live, and how do you use live to grow your business? Make sure to stick around to the very end. I'm going to share with you my very own post-live action steps to make sure that you get the very best out of every live video you do. Why should you even use Facebook Live? Well, Facebook wants to become the next generation digital streaming television platform. They're really favoring live video in the feeds. Live video gets 6 times the engagement versus regular recorded videos. And I've said this for years, there's no amount of sophisticated technology that will ever take the place of meeting people live and in person. The next best thing is video, especially live video. You can interact real time with your audience. You might be wondering, where's the best place to stream your Facebook Live videos? Certainly you can do it on your personal profile and maybe in a private group, but the best place really is on your Facebook business page. You can get much more mileage, including paid promotion, which we'll get into. Here's my 3-step process for monetizing or selling on your Facebook Live videos. Step 1, first, of course, decide what are you going to offer. Perhaps your own product or service, or like me, maybe you have a brand ambassador or affiliate marketing relationship with a third party. That's where you get paid to broadcast and let your audience know about a particular tool or product or software or app. Step 2 is simply to schedule your Facebook Live. Now you'll need to do that using a third-party tool, something like Zoom or Ecamm Live for Macs, there's BeLive TV, there's OBS, a lot of different choices out there. You set up your Facebook Live, and what that does is creates a post on your Facebook page. Now you can drive traffic to that post. The timestamp, the date and timestamp is the individual permalink. Go to Twitter, Instagram, your email list, your messenger chat bot, and let people know to click on that Get Notified button, and they will be told when you go live on your page. Now, if you are doing a third-party brand ambassador or paid affiliate partnership type of Facebook Live, you will need to use what Facebook calls their branded content tag. It's the little handshake icon, and that lets people know that you do have a paid relationship with this partner, and it allows your partner to promote your Facebook Live to their audience. Step 3, now it's time to go live with highly educational, valuable content. You can go to camera and or desktop sharing. If you're going to share your desktop, you'll want to prepare ahead of time some visuals, some slides perhaps. And for sure, again, if you're working with a brand ambassador or affiliate, you'll want to have a really compelling call to action with a nice offer that's ideally exclusive to your audience. Now keep in mind with these broadcasts, whether you're offering your own products or services, or like me, you're working with third-party brand ambassadors or affiliate relationships, you always want to be on topic and educational and adding as much value so that your Facebook Live really stands alone, almost like a mini training, a mini webinar. And now the bonus round. You've done all that hard work, your Facebook Live is completed. There's a series of action steps you want to take right away to maximize the sales from your Facebook Live videos. As soon as your Facebook Live has ended, go ahead and click the 3 little dots and then edit the video. Working from the top down, just review that your title is the way you want it. Check the description, add in a call to action and a link. Look at the thumbnail. See if you want to upload a specific image or pick one from the video. Add captions. Videos with captions on Facebook get significantly more views. There's also a feature that you can trim the beginning part of your Facebook Live if you need to. Let's say you didn't quite get right into it, or you made a mistake. You want to make sure the first 3 seconds of your video really hit the ground running, so that trim feature can really come in handy. Next, let your Facebook Live get as much organic reach and engagement as possible. I usually allow around 24, maybe 48 hours. Then you'll go into Ads Manager and you're going to turn that Facebook Live into an ad, because you can now add a link with a call to action button and drive people specifically to a landing page. And then on that landing page, you want to ensure you have the Facebook Pixel installed, because this will allow you to retarget that audience that's visited the landing page. In addition, you can create what are called engagement custom audiences based upon people who have viewed your video on Facebook. And that could just be a small portion or half the video or almost all the video. And you can create different engagement audiences and retarget them with different content to make sure that you convert more of your audience into paying customers. If you're really new to ads on Facebook, just go ahead and use the boost button on your Facebook Live. That way you can at least have that call to action link and button and send people over to the specific landing page for your offer. I know for so many people out there, being on camera isn't something that feels comfortable to you. So go ahead and click the video on your screen right now. My good friend Molly Mahoney breaks down simple strategies to create confidence on camera.